Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cait on Vet Candy. And I'm going to be making an avocado chickpea salad sandwich. That might sound unusual to you, but it's very similar to a tuna salad or to a chicken salad. And I have 1 cup of garbanzo beans or chickpeas going in and a half of an avocado here. And the avocado almost acts as your mayo would if you were making a tuna or a chicken salad. And so it's going to add that creamy texture. Pop in 1, pop in 2. There we go. And then I have some chopped green onion, 1 green onion I'll add in. And we are adding, instead of mayo, this is 1 tablespoon of a Greek yogurt. Okay, you can use any kind of Greek yogurt you like as long as it's plain. We don't want to impart any flavors into this. And I also have a little bit of lime juice, some fresh squeezed lime juice. About a ½ teaspoon will go right on top. And now I'm taking some cilantro, sprinkling up some chopped cilantro to add a little bit more flavor, almost a Southwest flavor with the cilantro. And now you can actually just use a fork and mash this all together. Your garbanzo beans should mash fairly easily. And of course, if your avocado is ripe, that shouldn't give you too much problem either. And I'm just going to keep going with the back of my fork until it's all mashed together. Every single garbanzo bean doesn't need to be fully mashed. You can have a little bit of texture in there. So I'll take the avocado chickpea salad and add it right to the bread, or you could add it to a cracker if you wanted to make it more of a snack item, but I prefer to add it to bread and make it a lunch dish. And the flavor will really, really come out. You could even toast the bread if you wanted, because the texture here is a little soft, and so on the nice toasted bread could be a nice texture change. I think it needs a little bit of salt. We'll add some right on top. There we go. And if you prefer to leave the salt out, go right for it. I'm going to close up my sandwich here. Avocado chickpea salad sandwich.